Hey guys, welcome back to the Ron Williams YouTube channel. Today is shape versus size, and we're talking about, boom, we're talking about the arms today. Shape versus size. Many of us, we don't really care about the size because the bigger people that we see in the world, even though they have big arms, 23 to 24 inches, it's the rest of their body that we look at that's overweight and obese that we don't want that. We want shape over size. And I'm going to show you something. We're going to talk about arms today. Now, number one is, as you see my arm, it doesn't look quite as big here because my hand is extended and my forearms are leaner or smaller when my hands are extended. But the minute I curl my hands, it shortens the area and it makes the forearm look bigger than what it is. Then I contracted, watch out now, boom, there you go. Now the forearm looks even thicker and bigger, you see that? What we want to do here, guys, I want to show you something with your arms. You want your arms to be bigger. I'm going to show you how there's some things you can do to make it appear to be bigger, and there's some things you can do to actually make it bigger. Watch this. Come over here. I'm going to show you Ronald Jr. Here is a good size arm, but it doesn't look as good as it could look. There's some things that we could do to make this arm look bigger. Most of the time when we want our arms bigger, you know what we go after? Right here. We go after that bicep. We say if we work our biceps, it's going to look really good. But the tricep is a three-headed muscle. A third more muscle can be added to that tricep. So imagine this. We take this tricep and just put an inch on that tricep. Boom. See that? And then let's get rid of this. Put an inch on that tricep. And then by working the forearm, and I'm going to show you how to do that here in a second, we're going to put some size on that forearm to get rid of that gap right there. Now watch this. Got rid of that. And now what we're going to do is on the back side of the forearm, we're going to put a little mass there too. Okay, guys. I never said I was an artist or anything, but look at that arm now, guys. We thickened the forearm, thickened the tricep. Look how much bigger that bicep looks because we worked the muscles that are surrounding that bicep. And that arm looks aesthetically so much better. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to work the tricep, how to work those forearms to get arms like this. Let's do it. Okay, guys, now we're going to start working on those forearms to get those forearms bigger. Now, remember what we just seen is that if the forearm is bigger on the front side as well as the back side, we can make the whole arm appear to be bigger than what it really is. But the forearm itself is bigger, but it affects the bicep and the tricep also. So here we go, guys. Start off in this position, and we're curling, forearm curl. 10 to 12 reps. There you go, all the way up. And as you come up, you're going to squeeze at the top. You want that forearm to be nice, thick, and meaty. Then you want to rotate from the opposite side. Ooh. This is a little harder going in this direction. And man, you really feel those forearms working. Man. Tell you what, guys, that feels good. I mean, it feels awesome. Now that you've got those forearms going, keep working those forearms at the end of your workout because whenever you grip, you're working the forearm. So after you finish your complete upper body workout, forearms are last. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to work that tricep to build the size on the tricep so it makes the whole arm appear bigger. Hey guys, here we go working the tricep. Now, the important thing here is to make sure the elbows never flare out, but keep them in close. Contract the muscle first before you start the extension. Now, I want you to understand, my elbows are up high so I can get that third head of the muscle. So here we go. Full extension. Again. 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 I'm contracting first and then extending all the way out, forcing that tricep to do the work. Boom. You know what that means? I'm going to tell you. That means a tremendous amount of fatigue, but it also means that when you finish your workout, at the end of that season of you trying to develop your desired results, boom! There you go, baby. Hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, I want you to subscribe. Get everybody else that you know involved. Let's move it forward. Till next time.
What you want?